I mean, Joburg has like a lot of very loud sounds. There's the constant construction, which are building more and more like empty buildings. There's plenty of cars on the road, not too many buses or trams or trains. There's plenty of honking too. Whenever people have to wait, or if they're afraid they're going to step in front of them in the car rather than slowing down, they just blow their horn. And people are talkative as well, which is nice. Everyone's always saying hello to one another on the street, or how's it, or sharp, or awe, and it's nice. I feel like people are very connected. There's like quieter sounds as well, like there's the sound of the jacaranda trees moving. There's the sound of sort of people's shuffling footsteps while they carry something pretty heavy on their heads. And there's the sound of wind at night before a storm, when you're inside and all the doors and windows are closed, but it kind of creeps through the cracks, and you know that the cloud cover is coming in over the city, and you're about to get some really heavy rain on top of a corrugated iron roof.